Welcome to Brainy Bites for Kids! Don't forget to subscribe!
Have you ever wondered about really big things, like where the universe ends, or what makes a friend a friend? Today, we are going to meet the world's original superthinkers. They have a special name, philosophers. A philosopher is someone who loves to ask the biggest, trickiest questions imaginable. They don't just ask simple things like, what is for dinner? They ask huge questions like, why are we here? And what does it mean to be happy? Philosopher actually comes from ancient Greece, and it means lover of wisdom. It is like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you are solving the mysteries of life using only your brain. Have you ever argued with a friend about what is fair or unfair? Guess what? You were doing philosophy right then. Philosophers spend a lot of time thinking about the best ways for people to treat each other. Think of your brain like a muscle. When you run or jump, you exercise your body. But when you think like a philosopher, you are taking your brain to the gym. It makes your mind strong, flexible, and super fast. Unlike scientists who use microscopes and bubbling potions to find answers, philosophers use logic, words, and conversation as their tools. They build giant castles of ideas just by talking and thinking deeply. People have been doing this for thousands of years, like a famous guy named Socrates. He walked around asking everyone why until they stopped to think, showing us that asking questions is the very best way to learn. The best part is you don't need a special school to be one. Anytime you wonder about the world and ask why, you are a junior philosopher too. So what big question will you ask today?